Most MSMEs don't fail because of competition. They fail because of the mistakes they don't even realize they are making. In this video, I will reveal the most common mistakes that silently stunt business growth, from weak cash flow management to poor delegation, and show you how to fix them before it is too late. Hi, I am Abanibhusan, Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI-powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real-world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight.
Mistake number 1: ignoring the power of customer feedback. One of the most costly mistakes in business is not listening to your customers. Feedback is essential for understanding what's working, what's not, and where improvements are needed. Too often, entrepreneurs become fixated on their initial vision, forgetting that growth depends on fulfilling customer needs. Now, how to avoid this mistake? First, regularly seek feedback through surveys, reviews, and direct interactions with customers. Second, look beyond positive feedback. Embrace constructive criticism as a growth opportunity. Number 3, use feedback loops like Net Promoter Score surveys to keep tabs on customer satisfaction. By actively listening to your customers, you can adapt your product or service to meet evolving demands, fostering growth through stronger customer relationships. Mistake number 2: trying to appeal to everyone. Many MSME entrepreneurs make the mistake of trying to reach a broad audience, assuming it will lead to higher sales. In reality, trying to appeal to everyone often means appealing to no one in particular. This lack of focus dilutes your brand and messaging, leaving potential customers unclear about what you offer. How to avoid this mistake? First, define a clear target audience. Know who your ideal customer is, what they need, and how they make purchasing decisions. Number 2, develop specific customer personas to better understand the unique characteristics and pain points of your primary market. And number 3, tailor your messaging and marketing strategies to speak directly to this audience rather than a generalized public. Remember, niching down allows you to connect deeply with a smaller, more dedicated audience, leading to more consistent growth. Mistake number 3: neglecting cash flow management. A focus on revenue alone can lead MSMEs to overlook one of the most critical aspects of business growth, that's cash flow management. Without steady cash flow, even profitable businesses can struggle to pay bills, reinvest in the business, or handle unexpected expenses. How to avoid this mistake? Number 1, keep an eye on both inflows and outflows, ensuring you have enough liquidity to cover operating expenses. Number 2, consider setting up a cash reserve for unexpected slow periods or emergencies. And number 3, use cash flow forecasting to anticipate periods of high and low cash availability, helping you make better financial decisions. Effective cash flow management ensures you have the resources to seize growth opportunities and maintain stability during downturns. Mistake number 4: underestimating the value of digital marketing. In today's digital age, neglecting online marketing is a mistake that significantly limits growth potential. Many MSMEs rely solely on traditional marketing methods, not realizing that digital channels can provide cost-effective ways to reach new customers and grow revenue. How to avoid this mistake? Invest in social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and content creation to expand your online presence. Use analytics to track what works and what doesn't, refining your strategy over time. Start small if needed. Even a modest budget in digital marketing can go a long way with the right targeting. Digital marketing is essential for reaching a broader audience and engaging customers where they spend most of their time, that's online. Mistake number 5. Lack of strategic planning. Many MSME entrepreneurs dive into business without a clear growth plan, often focusing solely on short-term wins, but sustainable growth requires long-term planning that aligns with both your vision and market realities. How to avoid this mistake? Develop a strategic business plan that includes specific goals, key milestones, and a roadmap to achieve them. Next is review and update your plan regularly as the market and your business evolve, and then set both short-term and long-term growth objectives to create a balance between immediate and future goals. Strategic planning ensures that each step you take aligns with your broader vision, reducing the risk of getting sidetracked by immediate but short-lived gains. Mistake number 6. Doing everything yourself. A common challenge for MSME owners is wearing too many hats, which can lead to burnout and prevent growth. Trying to handle all aspects of the business often means that critical tasks don't get the attention they deserve. How to avoid this mistake? First, delegate tasks that are not core to your role. Identify areas where other team members, freelancers, or automation tools can take over. Number 2, invest in training and empowering your team, allowing you to focus on high-impact tasks. And number 3, remember that letting go is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move to focus on growth-driving activities. Building a capable team and delegating tasks effectively allow you to scale your efforts without exhausting your resources. Avoiding these common mistakes can be transformative for your business by focusing on customer feedback, targeting the right audience, managing cash flow, leveraging digital marketing, creating a strategic plan, and delegating tasks. You will set yourself on a path toward consistent growth.
If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.